Now in this video, we are going to convert what 11.11 in base 2 to base 10. Let's start. So here we are going to have what 1.11 in base 2 to be equals to what? We are going to use the base to multiply this number, which we are going to have 1 times 2 plus, we pick this one again, 1 times 2, so that I will not make mistake. From here we are going to put power 0 from here, then power what 1. From this side we are going to put negative. Here is going to be what 1 times 2, but here now we are going to start from what minus 1. After 0 we have minus 1. The next number that will follow will be what 1 times 2 raised to power what minus 2. If there's another number again, you multiply the raised to power what minus 3. So here now we have 1.11 in base 2 is equals to what 1 times what 2. As a result of 2 raised to power 1 is 1, plus here we are going to have 1 times 1. As a result of 2 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1 according to law of indices. Here we are going to have what 1 times 1 all over 2 according to law of indices. When we have 2 raised to power minus 1, you can write it as what 1 all over 2 plus 1 times 1 all over what 2 raised to power 2 also according to law of indices. If you have 2 raised to power minus 2, you can write it as what 1 all over what 2 raised to power 2. So we still have 1.11 in base 2 is equals to what 1 times 2 will give us 2 plus 1 times 1 will give us 1, then plus 1 times 1 will give us 1 all over what 2 plus 1 times 1 will give us 1. Then 2 raised to power 2 simply means 2 times 2, and that is equals to 4. Alright, so we still have 1.112 is equals to 2 plus 1 will give us 3, plus we can divide this. 1 divided by 2 will give us what 0.5, plus 1 divided by 4 will give us 0.25. So when we add everything together, we have 1.112 is equals to 3.75, and in base what 10. This is the answer.